Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Hello everyone, I Surbi Giroti, science teacher of Smart Indian Model School. I have given a small task, a DIY activity to the student of class 7th, in which they have to explain the transfer of heat through conduction. And while performing this activity, they have to perform a video. And I am very glad that they perform so good. So here are some videos. Please have a look.
Hello friends, my name is Rishika. I study in class 7. My school name is Smart Indian Model School. Today I will show some edu fun given by Survey ma'am. The project name is Transfer of Heat. So let's start. The material requirement are some knives, one candle and 4 iron nails. So let's start our experiment. First of all, we burn candle. So the candle is burned, and we can first of all we use knife to set this iron nails. So start the iron nails. First we take the iron nails and put the distancings. We put it the all iron nails in the distancing. So now we use the candle wax put in. Put in the iron nails. And also when you doing this work, please do this form work, because this is wax become enclosed, then it cannot remove. So now we stand. Now you can see that it is setting properly, and we again burn the candle. Now we burn the candle, so this is ready. You can see this is ready. So let's start our experiment. We put the knife and the candle, and this the process by which heat transfer from the hotter end to colder end of an object is known as conduction. And the one by one the nails will come down. You can see the wax is melting. And the first one is going and gone. First one is gone, and this is the conduction. And the second one also will go. And the second one also go. You can see. the last one. You can see this is the last one. And this is also gone, and the experiment is over. And this is the experiment, and all iron nails is gone. Thank you friends, those who watch my video.
Hello everyone, I am Rushil Jubran. I am going to do an activity. In this activity, we have to prove that the heat is transferred from one molecule to another. So for this activity, the material requirement is one candle, one knife and 4 iron pins. Now we start. Firstly, we will drop the wax on this iron pin so that it can stick on nice. The pin should be stick on the knife properly. Now the pins are stick on the knife, as you can see. They are stick. Now what we have to do, take a candle and put the top of the knife on the candle flame. And now just wait for some minutes. As you can see, the wax is melting down because the heat is transferred from one molecule to another, and the wax is melting down. And as you can see that the pins are falling down. See, the pins have fallen. Why the pins are fallen down? Because of conduction. Now what we have observed, that the process by which the heat is transferred from one molecule to another is called conduction. In this, you have seen that the heat is transferred from one molecule to another. Knife is solid, so the molecules are tightly packed. So the heat is transferred from one molecule to another. As you can see that the iron pins are falling down, and all iron pins have fallen. This is because the process of conduction. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, माय नेम इज अनु। तो मैम आज आपने एक्टिविटी दिया था तो मैं करने जा रही हूँ। ये है नाइफ, नेल्स, यू कैन सी 4 नेल्स है हमारे पास, और माचिस एंड 1 कैंडल। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट हम मैचिस को जलाएंगे कैंडल में। तो मैम हमने कैंडल जला दिया। अब हम नाइफ में डालेंगे नेल्स। तो मैम जैसा कि आप देख सकती हैं नेल्स डल गए हैं, ये थोड़े आगे। और अब हम इसमें कैंडल डालेंगे, कैंडल का वैक्स। तो मैम हमने इसमें वैक्स लगा दिया, अब हम इसे 2 मिनट सूखने देंगे ताकि ये सूख जाए। स्टार्ट। तो मैम जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं सारे वैक्स हो गए हैं, सूख गए। तो हम इसे अब हीट रखेंगे, ऐसे ट्रांसफ़र होगा और एक एक नेल करके गिरेगा। वैक्स नीचे गिरने लगी है। तो मैम अभी ये फर्स्ट वैक्स गिर जाएगा थोड़ी देर में। तो मैम जैसा कि आप देख सकती हैं फर्स्ट नेल गिर गया है, अभी ये बहुत हॉट है। दूसरे के भी वैक्स पिघलने लगी है। और ये भी गिरने वाला है। तो मैम जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं दूसरी भी गिर गई है, मतलब पेन। हम तीसरी भी गिराएंगे। मैम ये इसलिए नहीं गिरा क्योंकि इसके जो ये पीछे वाला ऊपर वाला है ना, ये पार्ट ये बार बार फंस जा रहा है उसमें। ये भी गिरने वाला है। तो मैम जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं वो भी गिर गया। अब हम तीसरा का करते हैं। तो मैम ये तीसरा है, तो ये इधर से तो इसकी हीट ट्रांसफ़र हो रही है और इसका मुंह भी पिघल चुका है। तो अब ये भी गिरेगा थोड़ी देर में। देख गिर गया मैम। तो मैम जैसे कि आप देख सकती हैं चारों पिंस इधर हैं। एक तो पूरा वैक्स में, हाँ ये रहा, देखिए। और थैंक यू।
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडुफन क्लासेस। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।